Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to move forward with the next kind of argument, that is keyword argument in Python. So earlier we saw that what was actually a positional argument, right? So let's move forward with the next concept. And we have seen about the functions, default functions, and other kinds, right? Let's just see here keyword argument. So basically, what was happening in positional argument, whatever the values you were passing out, that was going out according to the positions, okay? But here, keyword argument, you assign values using parameters names directly. The order doesn't matter here. But in positional argument, what was happening, order was actually mattering there, right? But here order doesn't matter. Instead of that, keywords actually matters. Okay, let me just take you towards the Visual Studio Code. I'm creating out here a function with the name as greet only, which is going to take two parameters, again name and one age. So the two parameters here, one is going to print out the name and name is going to be stored out within the name variable. If I'm going to print out my age, so I can just type out for age is age, that is going to be stored out in the age variable. And now if I'm going to call my grid function, so I need to give the keyword, like name would be equals to, let's say, Kajal, and age would be equals to 25. So you can check out here that name is having Kajal and age is having 25. If I would check the order, I mean if I would just change the order, if I'll just write age first and then I'm going to write the name, okay, it won't affect the program. You can see here I'm still getting the name at names place and the age is at age is place. If I just change my name here to Sam, there would be no effect. So this is how positional argument and uh, keyword argument means. Keyword argument doesn't affect with the order. Thank you so much.